Welcome to this course, Developing Backend Applications with Node.js and Express. Now, you may wonder about the relevance of developing back-end applications with Node.js and Express. In Stack Overflow's 2022 survey, Node.js was used by about 50% of the developers who answered the survey, making it the #1 most used server-side technology, whereas Express ranked as the popular web technology overall, so making it the most popular server-side web framework. Node.js is a runtime environment that can run server-side JavaScript applications, while Express is a server-side JavaScript web framework that runs on top of Node.js in which to write your applications. This course is designed to help you succeed as a back-end or full-stack developer. You may be in IT looking to step up in your career, or a new graduate seeking to further establish your server-side skills, an IT decision-maker who needs to manage more cloud-centric projects, or someone in another field who wants to be able to talk about server-side computing more knowledgeably. In the course instructional videos and labs, you will learn about server-side development using JavaScript, code your first web server, and use Node Package Manager to manage your application modules and dependencies. You'll explore how to make applications run in a non-blocking manner by using asynchronous callbacks and promises, learn how REST APIs are used in conjunction with HTTP requests and responses with the Express.js framework, and then practice using Express by building a web server and creating dynamic content with middleware, routing, and templating. Additionally, hear directly from experts about their experiences with these server-side technologies in the Expert Viewpoint videos. Let's hear these experts introduce themselves.
My name is James Reeve, and I'm a full-stack software engineer at IBM.
Hi, my name is Rupinder, and I work as a Chief Solutions Architect at Scalable Technologies.
I'm Dennis Harvey. I work at Coursera as a Content Strategy Manager for Cloud Technology.
Hello there, my name is Bradley Steinfeld. I'm a software architect, and I work for IBM Cloud and Cognitive Software.
Hello everyone, my name is Upkar Litter, and I'm a developer advocate with IBM.
Hi, I'm Jan Stoneman. I'm a solution architect at Smartronix.
Now, there's a lot to cover here, so to get the most from this course, view each video, check your learning with each quiz, and build a winning portfolio by completing the hands-on labs and final project. Take the next step along this exciting journey that leads to a world of possibilities, and good luck!